right here. Real Weezo, nigga. You know now.
Boy Tez, he put up on me in his vet. He need a grill put in, so I'm about to do that for him. I wanted to get y'all a little content video, man, cause you know I've been slacking. But yeah, this is what we got going on today, man. You see the yard, bro? You tearing down these boys? Y'all need some parts, man. Let me know, cause we got them parts, motors, everything. Check the vet out, man. Y'all see it, man. I'm about to tear this bumper off. Well, the grill, y'all gotta take the bumper off to get to the grill. This is cracked. Out here playing in the snow. Ooh, that mother look good. Look at the sun hitting on it. You see the little accents in there, man? Come on, man. Y'all sleeping on them. We got the windshield tinted. I told bro he need to get that glass up there. That mug gonna look like a spaceship for real. I swear to God. Yeah, man. He doing this thing. Well, tell me what y'all think about that, man. And he got the y'all sleeping on him because he got the marrow too. The same thing. I'm gonna have this show y'all a little video of that. He got the marrow too. I think he getting some other stuff done to the motor with that. But yeah, this vet nasty. Yeah, he killing him. I'm gonna walk around this mug again. I might have to start more, doing some more vlogs. You see, I got bro over here, man. Bro over here tearing apart the cars. We got all the parts. We got tires. I know y'all need them winter tires. I know y'all need them winter tires. Summer coming up too, man, in a minute. I know it ain't even Christmas yet, but summer right around the corner. I don't want to hear no brake squeaking. So she get with me, man. I'm here. You see what I'm doing. I'm out here in the cold. You gotta dress up for this, man. Out here freezing. It's like, but yesterday it was like, it felt like it was 2. Nah, I'm out here. Need to get that money. Tell me what y'all think, man. I'm gonna get another clip in a second when I get done putting this new grill on, man. Let me show y'all the grill again. Oh, that mug got like a flake in there. You see the flake on it? The sun hitting it. So I end up getting that grill back on the vet. It looks way better. Still tearing apart this damn car too, man. Yes, sir. Let me show y'all, man. Guess I need to try to get it in some light, huh? Sun's trying to come out, man, and say what's up to everybody. Yeah, that thing was in pieces. falling apart. It's missing the eyes. He gonna have to get some more of this vinyl on the other side. But all is well. I appreciate y'all. He should be here in a little bit to come pick him up. Did a good job, man. That whole bumper had to come off, man. It was like a quadrillion screws to that thing. But we got it done, man. You know, that's why everybody love to come see B. Life with B, man. I'll get back with y'all on the next video. Appreciate y'all, man. Hit that subscribe button.